play!
It's a beautiful day outside. Perfect for playing with my friends. First, let's use my magic stethoscope. Come on, let's play some games with a sparkly ball of sparkles. Look at all the different colors. Let's choose one to play with. Great choice.
There are 3 games to choose from.
Let's play Astro Ball.
To play Astro Ball, help Stuffy guard the space bucket from Lambie and Hallie. To guide Stuffy, move the mouse up and down. You'll get points for each ball you block. Try to block as many shots as possible before time runs out.
Is everybody ready? Then here we go!
Bring it on! Did you see that block?
This space hippo's gonna kick it as hard as a mad meteor!
Give me your best space shot!
Points for Stuffy.
Let the dragon show you how it's done. Yes! Okay, try to get it past me.
Okay, giant space dragon!
Way to block, Stuffy.
It sure is one super sunny, splendiferous day!
No one can beat the giant space dragon! Bring it on!
Woo!
Give me your best space shot!
Time's running out.
Nice block. Time's up. Great game, everybody.
Great job!
Here's a healthy tip. After you exercise, remember to take a break.
If you want to play again, click here.
Let's play Astro Ball. Is everybody ready? Then here...
Are you sure you want to play a different sparkly ball?
Which sparkly ball game should we play next? Ooh, excellent pick. Let's play Tippy Tower Ball.
To get started, help Doc build towers with her blocks. Click each block to pick it up, then click again to set the block down over here. You can also click one of these pictures for a tippy tower that's all ready to go. When you're ready to knock the tippy tower down, click on Bronte. If you need help, just click one of these towers. They're ready to go.
Time to start building the Tippy Tower. I can't wait. That's quite a tower. That's one nice-looking tower. Looking good. Keep building the tower. That tower's pretty tippy. I like that tower.
Your tippy tower is really tall. Your tippy tower is really tall. Try building a little lower. Now help Bronte knock down the tippy tower. Skip.
Yeah, let's go, let's go! Woo! That was fun!
Let's do that again.
Oh, wow!
Great! Let's try that one more time.
Hooray! Woohoo!
So long, Tippy Tower!
Great job.
Here's a healthy tip. It's important to drink water after exercise.
If you want to play again, click here. Or
Which sparkly ball game should we play next? Oh, I really... Let's play Team Boing Ball.
to play Team Boing Ball, you need to keep the sparkly ball bouncing back and forth as long as possible. Move the mouse left and right to guide Doc's toy friends back and forth. Try to bounce the ball back to Doc. You'll get points for each bounce. If the ball hits the ground, keep playing with another toy friend. Just click the friend's picture or press the space bar on the keyboard. Choose one of Doc's toy friends to get started. Hallie.
Hi, Stuffy. Okay, it's Sparkly Ball of Sparkles time. Way to bounce!
Oops!
That's the way. Great bounce! Keep it going!
Oh, sweet sugar lumps!
Whoops! Yes! You're doing it!
Oh, I can hardly...
That looks like we're almost out of time. Well, that's the game. Thanks for playing. I had so much fun bouncing with you.
Great job!
Here's a healthy tip. Make sure to wear sunscreen and a hat to protect yourself from the sun when you're outside.
If you want to play again, click here.
Which sparkly ball game should we play next? Nice one! Let's play Tippy Tower Ball. Time to start building the Tippy Tower. I can't wait. That's quite a tower. Wow, that tower's looking great. That's one nice looking tower. I like that tower. Looking good. That tower's pretty tippy. Keep building the tower. That's quite a tower. I like that tower.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Woo, that was fun.
Let's do that again.
Oh, yes!
Great. Let's try that one more time.
Oh, this is so great.
So long, Tippy Tower.
Great job!
Here's a healthy tip. It's important to stretch after every game.
If you want to play again,